In front of me is TCL OneTouch 4042S, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening menu and choosing Tools. Then select Recorder and click on middle button to start. To pause it, tap on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. Then hit exit. If you want to find your recording later on, you need to select Options, scroll down, choose Recording File List and look for it over here. To get rid of it, choose Options again and tap on Delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!